Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, April 26, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 8th row, 5 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6, 7 and 9. 3rd row and 4th row we have 9. Column H also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade, column H, column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6, 7. 9th grade, we already have 6. Column B also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. 6th grade, we have 1. So it can't come these cells. 1 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H and 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4, 5. Column I, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 5. 3rd grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 3rd row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. 3rd grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6, 8. Column D, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. Column D, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column C, column D, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, then column D, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. 8th grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column E, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 5 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Column E, column G, and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 2nd grade and 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 3, 5. 7th row and 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, the 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7. 7th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.